Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be the CAD yen update, right? So CAD yen in the last setup, we were expecting some price section on the CAD yen around 80, 89, all right, and the CAD yen to drop from there. Okay, so let's look at the previous, CAD yen setup, and then we're going to talk about the update. Hello and welcome back. So I'm having a CAD yen. CAD yen is setting up for a nice bearish setup, all right, back to that low. If you guys remember that previously when we were expecting CAD yen to drop, it was there, all right. So we got the bearish leg and price tag that low, and then it completed that bearish wave there and then went higher. So it is setting up for another bearish leg, all right, and we are still within that bigger weekly drop on the CAD yen from that 90 or 120, all right, and we are having a bigger daily correction over there. So if you remember, we have just recently traded I have shown you the daily drop on the Kiwi dollar on the other day. Yeah, so it is very much similar like that chart, right? So what you are simply looking, you are looking a very nice aggressive sell off over there on your lower time frame and correction and CAD yen to keep dragging lower all the way back to that low. All right, so if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame, price is still slowly pushing higher and struggling to continue its bullish trend. All right, so you are simply looking this a kind of wedge formation to break down sharply. All right, so you're watching these previous tops, right? These previous tops and looking for this to drop very, very aggressively, correct, and CAD yen to go all the way back to that low. All right, so if I'm gonna look at the daily chart again, okay, so this setup gonna remain bearish as long as price gonna stay below that top. Okay, that top is far away right now. All right, so I'm not expecting that the price gonna go that much far away. So you are simply looking price to stay below these areas. Okay, the extreme top. Okay, we can say that is the 90. 90, all right? So price to stay just below that impulse, and the CAD yen to just keep dragging lower all the way back to this 20 August low. All right, so thank you very much. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye. All right, so that was the previous, video analysis. We were expecting, sharp sell-off on the CAD yen there at these areas. All right, sharp sell and correction, and then continue to keep dragging lower. So we haven't got that sharp sell. All right, and CAD yen, maintain its, bullish wave for more upside. Okay, and that was the update when we had, strength over there. Okay, we haven't got the sharp sell-off there for the downside, and we got the strength over there. So CAD yen is about to tag that top. Okay, about to finish that short-term one more push-up we can see over there within that bigger daily flat, all right, or weekly sideways market, we can say that. Okay, so price is about to test that top. Okay, so it slightly can go beyond that top. All right, again, if you shorted CAD yen at these areas without having a sharp sell-off, all right, the sharp sell-off which I was talking about, yeah, then you should be stopped out on that. All right, and if you haven't short that without having that sharp sell-off, then great. All right, so that, I mean, you understand the price action. Okay, so again, you are waiting for the price action over there at that top. Okay, and a sharp sell-off to appear over there. Once you see that the price is dropping aggressively from that top, okay, then get into the market and look for CAD yen to go all the way back to that 84, 85 areas, because I'm expecting a sharp sell-off and a quick drop on the CAD yen all the way back to that low within next 4 weeks. Okay, and we may see a quick sharp sell-off over there on the CAD yen. Okay, and you may get a couple of good couple of more than 2 3, it depends on you how you handle that aggressive sell-off. Okay, so you may get good entries over there on the CAD yen. Okay, so if I'm gonna, hopefully you understand that this daily chart. Okay, if I'm gonna look at the 4-hour time frame right now, I'm expecting a 4-hour time frame pullback. Right, 4-hour time frame pullback over there on CAD yen, and then that 4-hour time frame pullback to keep slowly pushing for higher. Okay, a 4-hour time frame pullback, yeah, it can go up to 90. All right, so we may see 100 pip drop after hitting that top. Okay, 100 pip drop, and then again slowly keep pushing higher for a couple of days. Okay, and that kind of formation, the formation I'm drawing over there, all right, we may see that formation. And once you see that formation, okay, there's going to be divergence. Once that formation going to appear over there, you may use your indicators, okay, and then you can look for this to drop aggressively, okay, and correct over there and go all the way back to that low. All right, so wait and watch for this formation. Okay, so you may buy for short term after having that 4-hour time frame correction for, you know, a couple of more push-ups, and once price keep forming new highs within that channel, okay, keep looking for it to drop aggressively from highs once price, you know, form these highs. So hopefully you understand that. All right, and watch aggressive sell-off on the CAD yen from that top, all right, and CAD yen to visit that low all the way back to that low. All right, so it slightly can go again, I'm telling you, right? So it slightly can go beyond that top, all right, because the move is pretty sharp this time. Yeah, if it goes beyond that top, it is not going to change the bearish wave, the wave which I'm talking about. Okay, so in longer term, as I said, in next 3 to 4 weeks, we are expecting a bearish wave. Okay, and that is not going to change on the CAD yen. All right, so thank you, we'll see you back.